Hi you guys, my name is Diana. Welcome to my channel Hot and Ready, where I share my recipes with you guys every week. So let's get started. Okay, I know it's been a while, I know, but I'm back with another recipe. So today I'm going to share with you guys how I make my fried fish. I cannot pronounce it, so I'm not even going to start with trying to pronounce it, but it starts with an H. um and yeah, and it was very good, with all them juices and flavors and butter and lemon and herbs. Yup. I usually don't fry my food at all. I stay away from frying my foods, so this was a little treat for my sugar butang and myself. So yeah, but I had fun with this recipe. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to start with the salad, cucumber tomato salad, just so I can put it in the fridge, and then by the time we're ready to eat, the salad is cold. So right here I'm just cutting up some cucumbers and tomatoes. you know Look at those perfect slices. You gotta speed it up because we know the drift. Yup. And now I'm dicing up some tomatoes. You know how I like my tomatoes. You gotta add the tomatoes to the salad. So now I'm adding the veggies to the bowl, cucumbers and tomatoes. Now it's tomato time, yup. And then I'm adding some fresh blueberries, lemon juice, a little bit of salt, dill and cilantro, and now I'm just mixing it up. And this is practically done. Oh yeah, I forgot. I had to add my pickles. Some people like pickles in their salads, some don't. I'm the person that does, for that little salt kick. So yeah. Now I'm making the sauce for fish, tartar sauce. So I'm adding just mayo. I added a little bit of water to make it, a little bit thin. Lemon juice, pepper, red pepper, paprika, parsley, cilantro, and dill. And now I'm mixing everything up. And you want to taste it as you go, because so it doesn't become too mainly. And then I added up lemon, pepper, more dill. Yep, look at that dill. Cilantro. Now mix everything up. So the dressing is done, the tartar sauce. Now I'm doing the batter. So I do flavor my eggs, pepper, parsley, dill, red pepper. Mix everything up. I did add a little bit of milk. And then I like to flavor my season my flour. So black pepper, red pepper, lemon pepper, garlic powder, paprika, parsley, Italian seasoning, and you just mix it. Mix everything up. There you go. More paprika, more Italian seasoning, more lemon pepper, all-purpose seasoning. Now here's that fish. I cannot pronounce it like I said. Hadog. Starts with an H, but this is a beautiful fish. It is thick. So that was, cool to work with because, it's a beautiful fish. So it is thick. So I ended up cutting in pieces. I washed it, so now I'm cutting in pieces. Like, I was struggling to cut the fish. That's how thick it was. Or the knife wasn't as sharp. But hey, I made it work. Now the fish is all cut up. Now I'm going to season this. So same seasonings, black pepper, lemon pepper, parsley, paprika, and then I mixed it up. Now it's ready to be fried. Egg mix, flour, oil. Egg mix, flour, oil. So that's what I'm doing here. You know. And you're gonna see this beautiful fish frying away. Look at that. Yeah, Daddy's coming home. Well, he should be home soon. Yeah, Daddy's coming home. So I'm making dinner right now. I'm making fish, fried fish, and salad, cucumber tomato salad, and maybe we'll have potatoes with it. I'm not sure yet, but fish and salad for sure. I'm just flipping the fish around to make sure that it's cooked. Bring it down? Okay. If you need me, I'm right here. Yeah? So the fish is practically finished. I just ended up having fish and salad together because the fish was actually really filling. So I didn't really need to make rice or anything with it. But yeah, this was our delicious dinner. Fried fish with salad and tartar sauce. Look at this beautiful fish. I'll sprinkle some dill, yuppity yup. It was really good. So yeah, thank you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as I always say, have a blessed evening. Bye bye, see you next time.